What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. I am gonna show you exactly step by step how to sell on eBay and show what I do to list items on eBay, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on paying customers into paying customers. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. In this video, I'm gonna show you the first thing that we need to do is purchase something called an eBay listing template door code. That's the first place that we are gonna start off on eBay. You are gonna type in eBay listing template. You are gonna scroll through. Once you do that, you should find an eBay listing template that looks good to you. Right, I'm gonna take a look at this one. It looks good to me, so I'm just gonna scroll through and to take a look. One thing I want to point out when it comes to eBay listing templates, and that's on the actual list in itself. It gives you a preview of what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna click on a couple. There is one there, and then have a look which one is the best. And in mobile responsive, you need to look at whether or not, which is important. So you ask me now what mobile responsive means. Is that when customers are looking at the listing on their actual mobile phone, the template is automatically go to optimized. So what is that means? It means a template onto your store, because these days most people are showing on their mobile phones. So you need to look out for, and if you want to get as soon as possible this template, it might take 3 days or 2 days. So now I'm gonna choose one of these templates because I'm looking for one with instant delivery. So what is that next step? The next step that I have chosen my template now, and over the login details they have emulated email, and over the login details they have emailed to access the template. So do you have access to the template and log into the backend of their website, and then you'll be able to edit it from there and from this particular list. And for this particular list in the pool, you don't need any HTML knowledge. So that's the way it works in terms of the backend of their website. This is what it looks like, and it will change on the template itself when you choose to change it. And here I'm gonna change this to company name, and here I'm gonna change this to company name. It's very easy for you to change it. And now I'm gonna pick a product at random on eBay. I'm gonna show you what product I'm gonna edit it, and what I will do to make it look better. So using the eBay listing template, what product I'm gonna list, I have decided to do restaurants pandas. Here, as you can see here, he is not using any eBay listing template. So if he was to change this around, make it look better, you'll be able to convert a lot more customers. So I'm gonna copy and paste a lot of that day to day. I'm gonna show you exactly how easy it is to turn an immuta looking listing into a professional looking distant. So through this fairly quickly, I'm gonna go listing template. This template I'm gonna go edit. So if we start off with the company name, I'm gonna make some key points. This is where you will put your particular company. Let's just call it Homework Out LTD. I'm just gonna put a random company name. Free shipping is okay. You will put, for example, British brand if your company has been operating for like over 2 years. So we are gonna go down to these images, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I copy and paste the link. I have uploaded the 4 images. It's going to give you the direct link. Once you do that, the first one, as you can see, I'm just gonna copy and paste. You can copy and paste each link into the listing template website. I'm just gonna do the remaining 3. Okay, now we are on the product name here. As you can see, we are gonna put the product description. You are gonna write something that's straight to the point, and that allows people to know that they are looking at the right item. Straight to the point, people know what they are looking for. A little bit of marketing there as well. Put anything, but make it straight to the point. I will put, are you looking for a great way to work out at home? These tabs, delivery, returns, I'm gonna update these terms. I want to put features for this one. I'm gonna copy and paste the features. After go back to actual eBay listing that we are copy and paste in form. And this particular eBay template doesn't give me much to work with, so I'm gonna copy and paste the specifications in the same field. Right, that looks good. As a matter of fact, I'm just gonna copy and paste this information. I'm gonna change change this tab to description, so that food will always look at the return policy that you definitely need customers. You just write your return policy, for example, for a day's hassle-free returns policy. So I'm gonna have to merge a couple of tabs into one. Because this particular company doesn't allow me to add another tab, I'm gonna put and shipping info, we ship same day. So for example, where it says return, all order or ships from warehouse. If you order before 2 p.m. all orders are processed through PayPal. So I'm going to change it to payment info. Your order will be shipping the same day if your payment has cleared before 2 p.m. Finally, I just want to add some information in the description column. I'm gonna come back to the example that we're working from. Copy and paste was included. When we are happy with the listing is clicking confirm. So when we list an item, I'm gonna give us a code which we are gonna copy and paste into eBay. So click save configuration, and when you are listing your actual item you are gonna come to eBay, you are gonna copy and paste the entire code. And when you are listing your actual item, so you are gonna pick with the images except for there. So when you list in your item, so you just click on HTML. Once you do that, you just copy and paste the code, and after that it's gonna give you an idea of what it's gonna look like so that it looks professional. That's how you create an eBay listing template. So then you have a higher chance of converting a non-paying customer into a paying customer. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.